that butt crack, boy. Cover up that butt crack, boy. Yeah. I see what you're doing.
Race to the stop sign?
Hold on. Hold on. Just gotta figure out what gear I'm in. Ready, set, go. What is hitting my helmet? These bikes are pretty even. Oh no. Looks like we're doing hill climbs now. Yo, these bikes are pretty evenly powered.
Yeah, I mean, the only reason we were right next to each other, you got me on the jump.
I don't race unfair. I don't know what you're talking about.
So, whoever calls the race is the one that's going to win on these.
Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, I'm one of them trickster dirt bike guys. Woo! I definitely got way too much air in these tires. I think I got 30 in the front, 30 in the rear. Oh my god, ice. Stupid bike.
What's gonna happen?
I don't have ice studs. Stupid bike. Got it. Yeah, I'm an MMX hill climb racer. Well, I'm not hurt. It just kind of hurt my pride. And maybe a little bit of my leg. Oh my god, that hurt. Bad son. Killer. Oh no, no, not again. Oh no, not a place to wheelie. Yep. Now how do I get his attention? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Not again. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, oh. Oh no, PTSD, PTSD. Ah! Oh my god, it's a racetrack. I'm a racetrack guy. Ow! Oh my god, it's jiggling my brain. Ooh, we're gonna be hill climb races again? I'm ready. I'm totally ready. Not for the ice, not for the ice. Ow! Oh, that hurt. Yeah. Hill climb. Wheelie up the hill. Woo! Double tap X. You can't wheel as good as I can. That's Honda's at its best. Oh no. Yo, I swear, I'm gonna get a pair of motocross boots after this. My shins can't take anymore. Oh, no. Oh, we're doing some off trail? Alright. Oh wait, it's trail. Dude. Oh my god, this is where I got my Expedition stock freaking 2 years ago. Oh my god. Yo, my ruts are still here. Dude, those are my ruts. Yo.